And that's the Tanur waterfall. Tanur in Hebrew is oven, because it looks like a traditional Arab style oven, or a skirt that is worn by the Arab women is called tanura. Maybe that's the meaning. 30 meters long or high waterfall.